In this video, I'm breaking down how to handle a tub rough-in for a third-year apprentice plumber, especially when you're roughing in the tub for the in-laws and dealing with a vent that's not nominally vertical but still connected to the sanitary tee. So, here's the deal. When you're roughing in a tub, your main goal is to make sure the drain and vent work smoothly without any leaks, backups, or funky odors. The sanitary tee you mentioned can work as a vent if it's installed properly, even if it's not perfectly vertical, but you gotta be careful with the slope and positioning. The vent needs to allow air to flow freely so water drains without creating negative pressure that could suck water out of the trap. If the sanitary is angled awkwardly, or if the vent line dips down after the tee, it might trap water or waste, causing clogs or slow drainage. Ideally, you want that vent to rise straight up or at least at a proper angle so it functions as intended. If you're questioning it, sometimes cutting it out and swapping in a Y fitting with a proper vent line is worth the effort to avoid headaches down the road. Always double check local plumbing codes too, because they can vary a bit and might have specific rules about venting angles and fittings. One of the biggest mistakes I see with tub rough-ins is relying on a sanitary tee for venting without making sure it's positioned correctly, which can lead to poor venting and drainage problems. Another common issue is not maintaining the right slope on the drain lines. If the pipes don't slope properly, water can pool and cause backups. Lastly, using the wrong fittings or skipping a proper vent altogether can cause traps to dry out and sewer gas to enter the home, which nobody wants. To fix these, always measure your pipe slopes carefully. Think about 25 degrees for waistlines, and use fittings that match your local code requirements. If you're unsure whether your vent will work with a sanitary tee angled like that, don't hesitate to swap it out for a Y with a vertical vent line. Also, keep your trap arm length in check so it doesn't exceed code limits and mess up venting. Simple checks like these save you from major headaches after installation. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you're a homeowner trying to link up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't mess around. For contractors, it's an easy way to find quality work from people who actually need professional help without all the hassle of chasing leads yourself.